Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Revolut card to Apple Pay. So first of all, you need to open up Revolut app on your device, and then from here, just flick over to Cards tab. Here on this screen, it'll show you all of your Revolut cards. From here, tap on the card you want to connect to Apple Pay. Once you tap on the card, you should be able to see at the very bottom it says Add to Apple Wallet, and it says Add Card to Apple Pay. So let's go ahead and add this to iPhone. Once you've done this, click on Next in the top right corner. It'll take a bit for processing. Here on the next screen, just agree to the terms and conditions and you're done. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.